What would you start today if money wasn't an excuse? How would you turn your skills into cash? Starting with $0. Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over about starting a side hustle with $0. In today's fast-paced world, the concept of a side hustle has gained immense popularity. A side hustle is essentially a way to earn extra income outside of your primary job, often driven by passion or personal interests. With the rise of the gig economy and remote work opportunities, more people are exploring side hustles as a means to achieve financial freedom and flexibility. The benefits are numerous. Not only can a side hustle supplement your income, but it can also help you develop new skills, expand your professional network, and even turn into a full-time venture. In this video, we'll dive into practical tips for starting a side hustle with little to no initial investment. We'll share real-life examples of individuals who have successfully launched their side projects, proving that you don't need a hefty budget to get started. So, whether you're looking to pay off debt or save for a dream vacation, stick around for some actionable insights. Identifying your skills and interests. To successfully start a side hustle, the first step is recognizing your unique skills and interests that can be monetized. Begin with some self-reflection. Think about what you're passionate about and what you excel at. Are you a great writer, a talented artist, or perhaps a tech-savvy individual? Identifying these personal strengths can help you pinpoint potential side hustle ideas that resonate with you. To further clarify your options, consider using tools like skill assessment quizzes available online. These quizzes can provide insights into your abilities and suggest avenues you might not have considered. Remember, choosing a side hustle that you genuinely enjoy is crucial for maintaining motivation over the long haul. When you're passionate about what you do, it won't feel like work, and you'll be more likely to stick with it through challenges. So take the time to explore your skills and interests and let them guide you toward a fulfilling side hustle. Researching market demand. Once you have a side hustle idea in mind, the next crucial step is to assess the market demand for it. Start by utilizing online platforms like Google Trends, which can help you gauge interest in specific services or products over time. This tool allows you to see how popular your idea is and whether it's gaining traction. Additionally, exploring social media groups and forums related to your niche can provide valuable insights into customer needs and preferences. Engaging with potential customers in these spaces can reveal what they're looking for and what problems they need solving. Another important aspect is analyzing your competitors. Take a close look at what others in your field are offering and identify any gaps in the market that you could fill. By understanding what's already available and where there's room for improvement, you can position your side hustle for success. This research will not only validate your idea, but also help you tailor your offerings to meet real demand. Creating a business plan. Developing a simple business plan is essential for your side hustle's success. Start by defining clear goals and objectives. What do you want to achieve in the short and long term? Whether it's earning a specific amount of income or building a customer base, having measurable goals will keep you focused. Next, identify your target audience. Who are the people most likely to benefit from your product or service? Understanding their demographics and preferences will help you tailor your marketing strategies effectively. Consider how you will reach them. Will you use social media, email marketing, or local events? Finally, it's important to plan for potential challenges. Every business faces obstacles, so outline possible issues you might encounter and brainstorm solutions to overcome them. This proactive approach will prepare you for setbacks and help you stay resilient. By following these steps, you'll create a solid foundation for your side hustle, setting yourself up for growth and success in the long run. Leveraging free resources. Starting a side hustle doesn't have to break the bank, especially when there are plenty of free resources available to help you get started. One of the first steps is creating an online presence, and platforms like Wix or WordPress offer free website creation tools that are user-friendly and customizable. These sites allow you to showcase your products or services without any upfront costs. Next, take advantage of social media platforms for marketing. Sites like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter enable you to reach a wide audience without spending a dime. You can share your journey, engage with potential customers, and promote your offerings through organic posts and stories. Additionally, networking is crucial for growth, and local community groups or online forums can be invaluable. Joining these groups allows you to connect with like-minded individuals, share experiences, and gain insights. By leveraging these free resources, you can effectively kickstart your side hustle and build a strong foundation for future success. Building an online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is essential for attracting customers to your side hustle. Start by creating social media profiles on popular platforms like Instagram and Facebook. These platforms are perfect for showcasing your offerings, sharing updates, and connecting with your audience. Use high-quality images and engaging captions to draw attention and encourage interaction. Next, consider content creation as a way to engage potential customers. Whether it's writing blogs, producing videos, or sharing tutorials, valuable content can position you as an expert in your field and keep your audience coming back for more. Additionally, don't overlook the importance of SEO strategies to improve your visibility in search engines. Research relevant keywords related to your niche and incorporate them into your website and content. This will help potential customers find you more easily when searching for products or services like yours. By focusing on these strategies, you'll build a robust online presence that attracts and retains customers, setting your side hustle up for success. Starting small and scaling up. When launching your side hustle, it's wise to start small and gradually scale up over time. Begin with a minimal viable product or service. This is the simplest version of what you plan to offer that still delivers value. By testing the market with this initial offering, you can gauge interest and make adjustments based on real customer feedback. Once you have your first customers, actively seek their opinions on what they liked and what could be improved. This feedback is invaluable for refining your offerings and ensuring they meet customer needs. As you gain traction and understand your market better, plan for gradual expansion. This could mean introducing new products, increasing your service range, or even targeting new customer segments. Always align your growth with demand and available resources to avoid overwhelming yourself. By taking these measured steps, you'll build a solid foundation for your side hustle, allowing it to flourish sustainably over time. In conclusion, starting a side hustle can be an exciting and rewarding journey, especially when you focus on key elements like identifying your skills, researching market demand, and leveraging free resources. By recognizing what you're passionate about and understanding what customers need, you can create a strong foundation for your business. Remember, the potential for growth and success is immense when you dedicate time and effort to your side hustle. It's all about starting small, refining your offerings, and scaling up as you gain experience and feedback. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on building your side hustle. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also be interested in starting their own journey. Your engagement helps us create more resources to support aspiring entrepreneurs like you. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.